Hi guys, it's Joya and welcome back to my channel.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So today I'm going to be trying out the Denman Styling Concentrator on my curly hair and see how it straightens it. I washed my hair. As you can tell, my hair is pretty dry. So I'm gonna go spray my hair down and I'll be back. Okay, so I've now wet my hair. Especially for me, for curly hair, when you're blow drying your hair, if you want it to be straight, it helps if your hair is pretty wet, because for me, right when my hair starts to dry, it's gonna start drying curly immediately. So even if I let it dry a little bit, when I try to blow dry it straight, it's just not gonna work out. So before I blow dry my hair, I always like to use some kind of product in it, so that way it doesn't dry frizzy. First, I'm gonna be using the Wow Dream Coat, and then I'm gonna be using the Weedad styling cream, just the cream that I use to style my hair when I wear it curly. You should also definitely use some kind of heat protectant. I don't have one, so I'm not gonna be using one. I did use Olaplex on my hair before I washed it though, so I feel like that will help a little bit. So first I'm gonna spray some of this into my hair. This is just going to make sure your hair is smooth and silkier when you blow dry it. Make sure to pay attention to your ends as well. Oh, that went right into my ear. Anyways, like I was saying, pay attention to your ends as well. They need a lot of love. Next, I'm gonna go in with my styler that I usually use. I find that this just helps so much, because when I would just blow dry and straighten my hair without having any product in it, I couldn't only blow dry my hair. I would have to like take even more time and more heat to straighten my hair after, because it would just dry so frizzy. So honestly, sometimes I can just blow dry my hair and not even really have to straighten it, because I use extra products. Oh my gosh, I really feel that product in my ear right now. I'm not having a good time. Great. So this is the Dyson, the pink version, of course. So usually I use the diffuser attachment just to dry my hair when I usually style it curly. This is the smoothing attachment. There's another one that's a little bit wider. I think that one is just meant to just blow dry your hair, not necessarily concentrating on straightening every strand, if that makes sense. And I have this round brush. To be honest, I don't know if this is the right round brush to use. I usually don't do this. I usually use my Revlon blow dryer. That's a brush just when I want to straighten my hair, but I decided I would try this because why not? So yeah, I'm gonna be starting front to back. I'm gonna take a small section, maybe like this small, and see what happens. I'm just going to hold my round brush like this and hold the blow dryer against the brush and just brush all the way down. I'll probably speed it up and put music in the background, just so you guys can still see kind of what I'm doing and what happens. I think I'm also gonna put it on the highest speed and the highest wind setting, just because we don't have time to be drying our hair on cool air. And this is exactly why you want to use a heat protectant, unlike me. Oh my God. Okay, I just blow dried this piece and I don't know how to feel, to be honest. I don't know if it's because it's kind of difficult to hold the round brush and blow dry at the same time. I mean, it doesn't look horrible at all, but I think it's just the ends are extremely dry. Maybe that's honestly just my hair, but usually when I use the Revlon, like my ends are not this dry, but you know, we're gonna keep going with it. It's not bad, okay? Not bad. Okay, so I just finished the left side. I did it off camera because it was so hard. I couldn't see anything in this little viewfinder, so it was nearly impossible to do it. But now I think I can do the other side on camera. This is what my hair is looking like. The ends are very much poofy. I mean, the whole thing is, it's not super poofy, but it's not super smooth, which, I mean, I didn't expect it to be super smooth. I'm not straightening it, but I don't know if it's just because it's really hard to use the brush and the blow dryer at the same time and keep all your hair in. but it just does not look amazing, obviously. Now I already anticipated that I'm probably gonna have to straighten over my hair a little bit, and I won't have to do that like too much because like the pieces are pretty straight. I just have to smooth them out, which is good. So at first I think I was way too far away from my hair. I was like this far away, but then as I kept doing it, what I started to do was I would like roll it down, or if I were to go this way, I'd roll it this way and make sure all of my hair, especially the ends, are in the brush, because what would happen is like some pieces would just like fly off the brush, and I think that's what caused a lot of the frizz. So I would get really, really close to my hair. I don't know if you're supposed to do this, by the way, but really close to my hair, and also blow dry the hair in the brush. I think I've seen hairdressers do that. And I would just go all the way down, but also this brush like left my hair in tangles, so that was also really difficult. But we're gonna try again on this side and see what happens. Okay, so I finished this side and it was just as hard. I think you just need to take really small sections for it to not have frizz. I don't really know, hairdressers, or if you guys know, comment down below, let me know like how to do this. This is my first time using it, so that would make sense. It does work really fast. It dries your hair super, super fast. Let me just go ahead and finish the top section and see where my hair is. I really have been trying to do it on camera. It's almost impossible. I cannot see anything in this viewfinder. I think I have enough clips though to where you guys can see kind of what I'm doing. It's pretty much the same all around. I'm gonna try to finish this and see what it looks like. Okay, I'm officially done. My camera's gonna die though. It's really great. My hair is definitely frizzy. I'll definitely have to straighten this. But what I will say is that my roots got really smooth and straight. Compared to when I usually use my Revlon, it's hard. I have to usually touch up my roots. I don't even know if I'll have to touch them up. Like, they're a little frizzy, so maybe a little bit, but they're really straight, which I really like. I just think you just need practice with this because it's very difficult. Is it gonna be my go-to when I straighten my hair? I'm not sure. I might try it again. It was just really hard. It is just frizzy, and that could also be the brush that I was using. It was kind of hard to brush through my hair with that brush. So it could be multiple different factors. I also used the high heat setting. That could be a factor. It was pretty quick, to be honest. Like, one section took maybe 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. But yeah, I guess this is my review. Not even review, this is my trying out video? What? This is just me trying it out for the first time. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys want more videos like this, if you want me to compare it to the Revlon, I can do that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!